So let's walk through how we do this example. So we are giving this y equals 3x minus 1. I'm looking at this graph and I can find 2 points. So I'm going to pick the 2 points that I know I have right here, and to find a point I'm looking for where these grid lines intersect. So it looks like there's a point right there, which is 0, -2, and then we have one where we have and that is wrong. So we're going to start again. I have my graph. I am going to find my points here. So 0, 2. So how I find a point is I look for this red line and I look for a place where the grid lines intersect. So right here is another point. So I'm trying to do it for you this week. Where you are, I'm actually telling you what the points are. So if I have to draw a slope triangle to figure out the slope, I can do that. So I want to figure out how far up I go and how far over I go. So I want to write the slope on the graph. I'm just going through what it says here. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to say I go 1, 2, 3 and over 1. So I'm going to write 3 over 1. Okay, so I did 1 and I did 2. And then it says highlight the y-axis in purple. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pick my purple. I'm going to say, okay, so here's my y-axis. Doesn't look like it's working though. All right, so my y-axis is right here, and I just want to make that purple so I can find it. Now it goes up and down. Now find the point of our line that crosses the y-axis. This is the y-intercept. So this red line comes down and it intersects this purple line. Where at? Right here at a -2. So I'm going to say right there, that's my y-intercept. And I'm going to draw an arrow to it. And that's all I have to do with that one. So the next example, again, I find out where this red line crosses the y-axis. If I want to, I can use my purple again. And I can say, okay, here's my y-axis, straight up and down, if that helps. And then I want to figure out where this purple crosses the red. So it looks like it's right here, so I'm going to make a point for that. I can make a red point. All right, so I'm going to make a red point right there. So right there is my y-intercept. So it wants me to label it with an arrow. Oh, all right. So I'm going to do what you guys do, which is that. So maybe I'll just do a straight line arrow. That might be more fun anyway, right? Make it look cleaner. Okay, so that is my y-intercept. So I did that part. That was one point. Now I look for another good point. So I'm looking for a place where this red line hits some crosshatch areas. When I say crosshatch, I mean where it intersects both things. So it's like there's a point up here. So that's a nice point there. I like that point. It says there's a point at 3, 2. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yep, that's a good point right there. But then there's lots of other ones I just want to show you. So that's another good point there. So I'm looking for places where this line hits the crosshatch. Now we need to figure out the slope. So we did this part, we put the dot there. Now we need to figure out the slope. So I'm going to use a different color for that. Let's use orange. And I'm going to say, how far down do I go? So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to say go down that far. And then I go over. Oh, I'm losing my mouse here. Then I go over this far. Okay, so I did the slope triangle in orange. So I figure how far down do I go and how far over. Notice I'm going down. Okay, so to get to the next point, I have to go down. Same thing here. I would have to go down, right? And then over to get to the next point. Okay, so that's a negative slope. So I'm going down 2. So my slope is going to be a -2, right? And then so I go down 2, I rise down 2, and then I go 1, 2, 3 over. Okay, so that's how I find my y-intercept and my slope for that. So this time I want you to try it. I'm not going to help. And then here's some matching. So if you can't see it, go ahead and double click on it to make it bigger, and then you should be able to find the y-intercept. Again, this is the y-axis. It's where that red line hits it. So go ahead and try it and come on and let me know what you think. Okay? Thanks. Bye.